All right, we've got the red bike up on the lift. And now Kevin's phone is ringing.
Somebody wants money or to sell me something.
Yeah.
Yeah, Bellevue, Washington.
All right. And Kevin has already put this left-hand new shock on. And it's just beautiful. Oh, it's such a work of art. We've got the weight off the wheel with the lift, the jack underneath, and top bolt is in place. Did it really go in that smoothly? This is oh yeah, there are some. Okay, so we've got one side ready to bolt down, and then we'll do the other side. You know, we can leave that side loose. Don't tighten anything down all the way.
Well, I'd like to get these in. Yeah, I don't want to tighten it down, but I just want to get this. This is that funky thing.
Yeah, that's the side that has the chain guard on it. All right, so we'll be back. Here we see Kevin fitting the left hand shock absorber. They are so pretty. You know, I can say that this is probably one of the few real, honest to God, 5-minute jobs that we've ever done.
Yeah. Well, like I said this morning, you know, I couldn't believe it. Everything just.
Oh, you did a side stand on the morning.
Yeah, it just.
Sometimes.
I know. I know. I rolled my eyes and told Belinda, I said, "Yeah, I got a 5-minute job."
Is that quick?
And it's where it is. Tight against it there. Just real tight against the fender, so I had to back it up. All right, we're ready to tighten everything down.
All right. Straight through the hole.
That's the tight, yeah.
That's ugly.
Ready?
Okay.
And you need the other one for this one. Probably.
So they're both on.
That's just snug. I need to snug this one down.
All right. Let's I'm ready to tighten. I got no problem.
Okay.
Let's just do the top and bottom.
We can pull that out and put the washer in. If you want on the other side.
All right, good, sir.
Yeah. Ready? Yeah.
And we got one up here. How do we do this?
Then I'll do it again.
Now the thing that you do after you do this, you take the shock and make sure that there's sideways play in the bottom here.
Oh, okay.
Like that, and up here, so that you know that it's not being bound up.
Yeah, gotcha.
These have play on both sides. See that?
Yeah. These are beautiful. I love these style.
They are beautiful. All right.
Cool.
Okay, so we're going to stop at this point because try to remember if there's anything else outstanding on this guy. May take some paperwork. All right, now we just put the new shock absorber shocks on this bike. I think that finishes out the work order. We're gonna have to double check, but I think we've done the whole thing. So we're gonna try to do a start. It's been sitting for at least a week, and let's see what happens.
No throttle, no choke, but I tickle. I'm gonna tighten it down.
No tighter?
Yeah. Pretty good.
Not bad.
No.
We haven't sat for a while.
No throttle. Okay.
So we cleaned the pilot jets.
Yeah.
And now Kevin is going to do another tad bit of stroking and see what happens.
And it's just with a good sloppy tickle, no choke, no throttle. Throttle.
Sounds good. We're going to let it sit for a couple days, watch for any oil, and then I think we're ready to release this bike. I think we've done everything on the work order. I'll double check the paperwork, but it sounds good. It looks good. Amen, amen. I say unto you, everybody watching these videos, the pilot jets will corrode within a week of sitting, just because of the new E10 gasoline. If you can run racing fuel, if you can get aviation fuel, that's a good deal. If not, you got to learn how to clean those pilot jets. We've gone over this a dozen times. I've even done videos explaining it. But those pilot jets will just corrode, and pilot jets are what control starting the bike.
You know, Frank, they do a summer blend and a winter blend. I wonder if that's a part of it. There's something different about the summer blend.
I
don't know. I'm no gasoline expert.
Neither do I.
Well, I know they do different blends.
Yep.
But they usually don't corrode this quickly.
I mean, yeah, seriously, these things sat for a week and we had to clean
Yeah.
both pilot jets, and we could feel the
Oh.
crud in there. You can feel it when you're cleaning them. So that's it. Okay, we'll check the paperwork and maybe release the bike.